going to take a look at how to use Font Awesome. And so if you go to Font Awesome, Font Awesome IO, there's a Get Started and a big advertisement. Get Started. Web fonts with CSS, SVG with JS, desktop use, advanced. I guess we'll go with web fonts. And use Font Awesome free CDN. You're just going to link to someplace and it'll download it. So I guess we could go with that. And free and all. I could copy that. Alternatively, I could download everything and store it on my computer and then link to it in a slightly different way, which would be like this, right there. So I'm going to go to Goland, which is my editor. And we'll do this in folder 50. And we'll drop in an index. And we'll add in our link. Bam. And now I think we're ready to use Font Awesome. Come back to our instructions. And grab and move the CSS and web fonts into your project. That's that way. And then once it's there, we just referenced, and place icons in your markup. iClass was user. It's like German or something. Was user. And so we'll put that there, and we'll just see what that looks like right now. There's a little user up in the top left corner. It's that easy. If I want that guy to be on the center of the page, I could do a little style. So I'll link to create a style sheet. And just split that vertically. And then link to it. And I will say that HTML, body, and we have content padding. We have, we have border. We have margin. We have font, inherit. We have color, inherit. Little reset. We have box sizing, border box. And then we're going to have body will be height, 100 VH, and display will be flex, and justify content, center, and align items, center. And so that should put it all in the center of the page. Whoop, there it is. And if we want this to be a different size, we could come over here and look at Font Awesome. And where are additional things, how to use, how it works, dun dun dun, and how to avoid basic use, dun dun dun, and style prefix, different styles, retro, 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 awesome, fast, plus, fast, plus. Different prefixes there, fast, far, fall, fob, and then we have large, and so we're going to go fa 10x. Different classes. Let's refresh our page. That's cool. And see if there are any other options for us. And ooh, inline styles. That's so horrible. So that kind of gives us a background misty rose color around it. And just looking at these span, class, spinners, colors, positions, masking, layering, putting them on top of each other. jQuery. So the problem with this is, if you wanted those to be a certain color, I don't know how you do that, right? Like, could we say color, red? Let's see. Ooh! That was cool, right? Border, 3 pixels, solid black. Huh? What? Could we do like a box shadow? It'll just be the box. 10 pixels, 10 pixels, 10 pixels, black. Just the box. Looks okay. Kind of cool. That's Font Awesome.